Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then start the installation immediately. You need root SSH access or a hosting control panel account. Make sure DNS and domain are ready. Once you have credentials, check PHP, MySQL, disk space, and port 2087 access so Cpanel services can run. Connect via SSH and update the OS packages. This prevents dependency conflicts. After updates finish, download the official Cpanel installer and confirm the server hostname is a fully qualified domain name before running the installer script. Once the installer runs, follow on-screen progress and watch installation logs to catch errors early. You will configure service components, Apache, Exim, Dovecot, and DNS, so take time to set sane defaults and enable only what you need. After core install, log into WHM using port 2087 to complete the setup wizard. This is where you define name servers, IP allocation, and reseller limits. Make sure to create a primary Cpanel account and apply security settings such as CP Hulk and automatic updates to protect the server. To finish, confirm DNS propagation and install or auto-generate SSL certificates for WHM and Cpanel so browsers don't warn users. You should create a test Cpanel account and provision a site, test email delivery, FTP access, and database creation to ensure services are working. If something fails, inspect logs, /usr/local/cpanel/logs/error log and service-specific logs. Then restart Cpanel, HTTPD, and named services. Remember, common fixes are missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.